I am a UK chartered accountant as well as a French expert comptable, and I have a number of years of experience working with a large international firm prior to starting my own firm in the south of France. From this year, personal returns have to be filed online in electronic format. That means if your income exceeds 40,000 euros, you would generally be expected to go on the impot.gouv site and complete the forms there after having access to your account. The problem with that is that it is, of course, in French and not at all easy to access and to complete. And as probably the most part of your income is coming from overseas, it has to be completed on one form and then carried over to another form. It has to, of course, be completed in euros. It has to match the French tax year. So there are a lot of, how can I say it, things which are not straightforward to do and which can result in errors or omissions. The deadline this year for submitting the paper format, the return in paper format, is the 18th of May. And then there are different deadlines depending on which zone you are in, if you're going to file electronically. However, if you don't file electronically, and you should, the government will start levying fines for a paper submission which they expect to be submitted in electronic format. We offer our service of basically completing your return and giving you tax estimates and then filing only when you have your approval for a starting fee of 250 euros plus a 20 euro filing fee. The advantage of using our services is that, first of all, we are professional. We have years of experience and studies, and we are registered with the Orders Expert Comptable. So we're not doing this as a, how can I say, as a hobby. It's a professional service. And this is important because it guarantees a number of important elements like getting your return done properly, getting your income reported correctly so that you're not taxed more than you should be. We are also in a good position to help resolve issues with the tax office, which can be quite stressful and difficult to resolve when people try to do themselves, because of course there's the language issue, there's the cultural issues, there's time, there's stress. So what we're doing is we're providing a professional service which basically takes the headache out of filing your return and ensuring that it's done correctly and on time. We can be contacted through our site, which offers you the possibility to write to us via email or via telephone through our direct line 0981 090015, and we do our best to respond to clients as quickly as we can.